Question 26. A student obtains 2 strips of magnesium ribbon that are each 3 centimeters long. One strip of magnesium is placed in a test tube containing 5 milliliters of water, and the other strip is placed in a test tube containing 5 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. Both liquids are at room temperature. The student observes and the student's observations are recorded in the table. Okay, so he's got 2 strips of magnesium. He puts one in a test tube of water, and he puts the other in a test tube of hydrochloric acid. Okay, let's see. So for test tube number 1, it says no observable activity takes place, so in other words, nothing's happening. The temperature stays constant. A lit match placed near the mouth of the test tube continues to burn. The appearance of the metal does not change. All right. In the second test tube, he says bubbling occurs at the surface of magnesium. Bubbling indicates a gas is forming, meaning that is a chemical change. Okay. The temperature of the liquid increases, so the temperature rises. That is also an indication of a chemical change. The lit match placed near the mouth of the test tube makes a popping sound and goes out. Okay, so there is something going on here that does not allow the burning of the match, and it makes a sound, kind of like fireworks maybe. So that would probably indicate a chemical change. We're not for sure, but we can say most likely yes. The metal strip gradually becomes smaller until nothing is left except for clear liquid. So obviously if the metal strip is getting smaller and then late at the end there's no metal strip, we must have a new substance, right? We definitely had gas, we had heat, we had a popping sound of a match, okay, but we definitely here have no more magnesium strips, so a new substance was created, and that definitely indicates a chemical change. All right, so let's evaluate the statements here. It says, which statement is not supported by the student's observation? Okay, a chemical reaction takes place between magnesium and hydrochloric acid. We can pretty much say that is true. Energy is released in the reaction involving hydrochloric acid. That is true because energy in the form of what, guys? Thermal or heat, right? It got hot. That's a true statement. The substances in both test tubes are reactive only at highly temperatures. Really? The first test tube was not reactive at all, and we cannot presume that that will change at any temperature. And last but not least, a gas is released in test tube 2. Yes, we said it was. So which one is not supported? Not. The one that doesn't fit. Statement H. We cannot conclude that both substances would be more reactive at higher temperatures.